Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today is Memorial Day, a day that we celebrate all of the U.S. military, the men and women that have given their life for their country. It all began after the Civil War by the northern states, and they called it Decoration Day because on this day they would go to the cemeteries and they would decorate all the graves of the fallen soldiers. And then as time went on, they changed the name, as you know, to Memorial Day. The birthplace of Memorial Day is actually in Waterloo, New York. So that's what we have today. Just give a little time to remember all the U.S. military men and women that have given their life for us. That's all we have this week. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.